Hello guys, welcome back to the DomainRacer, and we are going to help you to understand what actually makes a web hosting as a best web hosting. So let's begin. Okay, basically always make sure that if you are purchasing any web hosting company, this is not a video about particular DomainRacer. If you go and search about other companies as well, you need to find out whether they are offering this kind of services, then definitely you can choose among them. So to make sure that you will get a best service, we are going to introduce this video. In this video, let me tell you, very first you need to consider one biggest factor, and that is SSD hosting. If any web hosting company that not offering an SSD hosting, then you are in the biggest trouble, because SSD hosting offers 3x faster speed and HDD is not. To avoid the mistake, always make sure that please confirm before purchasing any web hosting whether they are offering SSD hosting or not. So here, Lightspeed is the one of the technology that used by Google and Facebook to speed up their servers. And now DomainRacer is specially offering this service to all our customers. Basically the fact is it comes in all plans, whether you are purchasing small plan or bigger one. So both come up with a Lightspeed technology and SSD storage. And the most important, all plans come up with a free SSL certificate. What that means, you will get this secured sign. Connection is secured for your website. That makes you secured of your website. And among that, we are having a 5 level of securities, because each web server need a separate level of securities, and we use 360-degree 4 million plus malware protection guarantee for our web servers. So basically you are at extremely secure place. So if you are running your website, the chances of getting hacked is extremely low. These are the most important features that we are going to offer to our customers if you are being a customer of DomainRacer. So this is all about best web hosting. While choosing any web hosting company, you need to consider all those factors, and if you consider these things, then definitely you will get a better service. And the best part, if you search about all companies, you will get this information like they are offering unlimited SSD, unlimited email ID, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited technology, unlimited that, unlimited this, unlimited that. All comes are extremely like these are the common features everybody is offering. So you need to consider only these 4 factors. If they are offering all these 4 factors, then you need to be considered this web server. And if you have any queries or any concerns, please comment below, so we will come up with new video.